Good evening, everybody. My name is Arvind Kaur from class 5th D, Eichel Public School. I wish you all a very happy holidays, and today we are going to do something crafty. So, today we are going to make a basic on a bookmark, and then we will make it into a dragon bookmark. So, dragon bookmark looks like this. So, for this you need is an origami sheet. You have to cut out if you have to make a origami sheet, if you have to make a dragon origami bookmark, so you have to cut out these triangular shapes, and then we are gonna make the teeth. We are doing the dragon bookmark. So for the dragon bookmark you need these pointing. So I have a box full of these because I love to make these, and these are so cute to make it. So for this it is very easy, but it always asks you for your effort, and I always give effort for everything. So now what you have to do is you have to make it in a diamond shape, and then after making it to a diamond shape we have to fold it to equally to the top, and then first we have to make it into a equally first we have to make it into an equal like this. You have to make it, and then what you have to do is from the corners you have to make it you have to shift that up to the up corner once, and repeat it at the next side. So it would look like this, and what we have to do, we have to take them down and it would look like this, and then this part we have to do it into an equal half triangle, and it like this. And then what we have to do is we have to take the corners which we have done it to the upside, we have to tuck in it and repeat the next side. So your basic corner bookmark is ready. Now we are going to make it into a dragon bookmark. So it would look like this, and you can also if you don't want to make it into a dragon bookmark, you can also make it with your own creative. You can use stickers and all of these decorative things in your bookmark, and you can create something else. So now we are going to make the origami dragon bookmark. So I have told you that what we need, and we also need a sketch pen for making the eyebrows and for the eyelashes. So now let me get my sketch pen, or either you can use a colored pencil, black color pencil. So I'm using a permanent dark marker as I don't have it. Let me check it. I have a whole bundle of it. So now I am using this permanent marker. So if you don't want to use permanent marker, you can don't use, and if you want to use a single line marker, then you can also do that. So now we are going to paste the googly eyes and the triangle teeth, so that it should also look like dragon black. So now you only have to put a single drop of glue, otherwise it would not be able to be pasted on the origami sheet. So it has a little problem in that, so I would clear it all. you have to do it into an equal, otherwise if you don't do it in that equal one, it would all be not look nice, that much of nice, that you have done, you have made an like for example our eyes are equal, so you have to make the dragon bookmark's eyes equally. So now we are done for the googly eyes, and now we are gonna paste these. So let me tell you how to paste that. We should not paste at the at this part. If we paste at this part, it wouldn't look nice. So what we have to do is, let me show it to you. Put a small little drop of to the corners, to the up corners, not to the down corners. So now now the gluing is done, glue part, and now now you have to take your now you have to take your bookmark, and then what you have to do is you have to paste it in the under part and press it for 2-3 seconds. You have to press it, and then it would look as a dry glue. So repeat as the next part. And the pasting of the bookmark is ready. So now it would look like this, and then we are gonna take the marker, and then we are gonna mark their eyebrows and their eyelashes. So now you can do it when it is dry, as when it is not dry, then it would mix into that color. So equal. Why doesn't it? So now it is equal, and then make the eyebrows. So now your dragon bookmark is ready, and you can also make it like this into a basic corner bookmark. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Bye everybody. Have a nice holidays.